So hello friends, welcome to my channel. Next we will take the next topic is types of epithelial tissue. Okay, so epithelial tissue mainly divides into three types. Epithelial tissue can be divided into three types. First one, simple epithelial tissue. Second one, compound epithelial tissue. Third one, glandular epithelial tissue. Okay, simple epithelial tissue, compound epithelial tissue, glandular epithelial tissue. So first we will going to learn about simple epithelial tissue. So simple epithelial tissue means here the cells arranged in a single layer. So that's why these are called simple epithelial tissue. So for example, here this is the basement membrane. On the basement membrane, only one single layer of one row of cells, only one single row of cells are present. So this type of tissue is called simple epithelial tissue. Okay, so cells are very tightly arranged each other. Next, they perform the simple epithelial tissue is helps in the diffusion, secretion, filtration, absorption. So the simple epithelial tissues perform these functions: diffusion, secretion, filtration and absorption. Okay, next the simple epithelial tissue again divides into different types. Okay, they are simple epithelial tissue. Simple epithelial tissue can be divided into three types based on the shape of the cell. Based on the shape of the cells, these are divided into three types: simple squamosal epithelial tissue, squamous epithelial tissue, simple cuboidal epithelial tissue, simple columnar epithelial tissue. These three types are present in simple epithelial tissue. Okay, so first we will discuss about simple squamosal epithelial tissue. So here the simple squamosal epithelial tissue, here the cells are very flat. Okay, so the cells are present on the basement membrane. So here the cells are flat and tile like arrangement. They arranged like a tile. Okay, here these are flat, these cells are very flat and tile like arrangement. Okay, so which means, so how the tiles are arranged in our floors, same way here the cells are very flat and they arranged like a tile like. Next, nucleus is central. Okay, in the center nucleus is present here. Okay, next, location where they are present. So this is a very important. Okay, so here it is present endothelial cells of blood vessel. Next, capillaries, blood capillaries. Next, alveoli, Bowman's capsule. Next, inner lining of body cavity. So etc. So in these parts the simple squamosal epithelial tissue is present. This is the location. So this location is very important. Okay, next we will go to cuboidal epithelial tissue. Okay, so cuboidal epithelial tissue. So here the cells are, so always the cells are present in the basement membrane. The cells are cube shape, like this, square shape. So here cube shaped cells are present. Cube shaped cells are present. Here also nucleus is central. Nucleus is central. In the central nucleus is present. Okay. Next, location. Okay. So mainly location is very important. So it is present PCT and DCT of nephron. The nephron, proximal convoluted tubule and distal convoluted tubule. Next, germinal epithelium. Germinal epithelium is also made up of cuboidal epithelial tissue. Okay. Next, columnar epithelial tissue. So columnar epithelial tissue means here the cells are column shape. For example, here like this. Cells are long column shape. Okay, like this. Here cells are long and column shape. So that's why these are called columnar cells. Okay, cells are long columnar shape. Next, these are two types. Two types: ciliated columnar cells, columnar tissue, non-ciliated columnar tissue, non-ciliated columnar tissue. Okay, ciliated means if the cilia are present on the free surface, if the cilia are present. Okay, we'll draw here like this. Next, in ciliated epithelium, nucleus is present in the base of the cell. It is present at the base of the cell. Okay, cilia are present, that is called ciliated epithelium. It is present. Location, mainly location is very important. Fallopian tube, brain cavities, central canal of spinal cord, central canal of spinal cord, fallopian tube, brain cavities. Okay, next, non-ciliated. Okay, so non-ciliated means the cilia are absent on the free surfaces. Cilia are absent. Okay, so it is present in the stomach and intestine. Stomach and intestine. So stomach and intestine lined by non-ciliated epithelium. In intestine, microvilli are present. Microvilli are present in the intestine. So this is about non-ciliated. Sorry, this is non-columnar. This is not columnar. Non-ciliated columnar tissue. Okay, this one is ciliated columnar tissue. Ciliated columnar tissue is present fallopian tube, brain cavities and central canal of spinal cord. Non-ciliated epithelial tissue is present stomach and intestine. Okay, so this is a simple epithelial tissue.